RADX. AMCI. RADX.
Can't trade it. Under 14, 15 rather. That would be crazy. Okay, well, I got caught here. All right, let's see how we can make this a little less worse. Try to get out right away, and I got out 64 actually. Okay, whatever. That sucks. Can I short this? Had my sell order. All right. Well, that's the market today. Truly nothing.
MSOS.
AMCI. AMCI may rise in 10 seconds. MS2.
Okay, that's good.
RTV. PP2. RG2. ILMC. AMMC. OPW.
Okay, that's finished.
RADX may rise in 10 seconds. AMCI.
AMCI.
PP2.
Maybe it was good. Law 53. Pretty slow. Pretty slow. Good bounce at the end of the day.
Okay, that's good.
Good bounce. Slow, but good bounce. I don't know if it's going to hold. Oh, actually, size down, really down. I want to take it 85. Shopping around. There you go. Make it 81. Not bad.
Okay, that's good. So that's
JFBR. All right, we'll see. It's that hold. Looks like it was very strong.
or wider.
Try to catch this next move. Although, on a day like today, could we get another move? I'm going to strain to hold down. We'll see. Small size.
MSOS.
Might look for something in the 550s. There it was, 550s. Would be a very aggressive trade, 540s. Which I did last time and I got burned. So we'll see how well this one is behaving. 460 to hold down. I'll try this. Okay, filter good. Gotta give it some more time. Hmm. Okay. Wow. That was pretty crazy, okay? All right. So I wasn't too comfortable because of what the other stock did. And the other stock was what was the other stock? Yeah. Basically RADX. This one I bought 95. I bought basically VWAP right under 15 and I got caught. And this looked like a good setup too. And I got basically flushed on. Here it looked good in the 540s, 530s. Not bad. I sold too soon there, but we'll see what it can do. Looks like the aggression might be turning on here. So 714, maybe another hold. See, 10 seconds. Small size. It like 560s a dip. Doesn't look very convincing yet. Maybe around 6 would be good. Here we go, it's just coming down here. 60s, 70s. Nah, this is nowhere near where I want it. 580 is a hold down. This might actually hold down. I gotta be careful. Last thing I want is get caught in a hold down. Okay. Looks like it's going to work here. Now hold down. This candle's pushing. Oh, it's not pushing. I wish it held 80s. This is coming down, isn't it? What else do we got? 540. Hasn't halted down. So we might be seeing some good attempt at the highs maybe. Okay, here we go. This held 40s. This stock held 40s, so we're looking good here. Like this. Okay. Let me try a dip next time. I want to see it closer to 6. Got dip. I mean, okay. Dang it. Try to get that reclaim. Not fun. Not fun. I'm at max loss now. Let's get one more in here on a dip, perhaps.
SBR. ARTV. AMCI. ARTV.
ARTV.
YCBD. ARTV. TCA.
Okay, we can trust this. We'll keep it tight. Looks very good here.
AMCI.
IRTV.
14 okay.
ARTV.
MSTV. SBR2.
ARTV.
Chart 60s,
THD.
73.
AMCI.
No, keep it flat. Looks like it's coming down.
AMCI. Around
For a little micro.
TVR. MSTV.
TCA.
AMCI. SBR2. Around
TCA.
Have an ABCD here. Maybe good.
AMCI. 1T on water to the outside. PG on the
TCA.
Try 50s. Decent ABCD, 61. Nope, keeping it tight. Okay, I gotta buy a dip. Mm,
AMCI.
ah, dude. Okay, yeah. I'm like 260 now. Okay, I gotta stop. Dang it. So I am getting a little frustrated here because of the way the stock is moving. And I'm not able to manage that risk too well.
AMCI.
This thing, I said I wanted to get in the dip, but it went straight up. Now we're coming up here again. What's gonna happen? We go for a dip. We just gotta wait for it to dip. Let's see. Dip at 7. Looks like it wants 9 here. So I'm gonna look for a dip. Breakouts are not working, so I just gotta jump on a dip.
Let's see.
Maybe 2 red candles here. 2 red candles, maybe 3 red candles, 3 red 1-minute candles. And then let's jump in there. I will get in a dip. 68. What do we have here? What are these levels? 7, 668. Yeah. So let's get a dip here, bro. Come on. No dip is gonna look great. Watching. Dip. Let's get it a little lower. Yep. I'm not getting my dip. I'm not getting the dip that I like. We'll see. This is a new 5-minute candle here. We're definitely gonna dip. Let's see. Below 7. Yes. 84. Hold 84. Okay. There it is. 50s. Oh, I didn't press it. There you go. 20s. 59. Yeah, this is coming down. Ooh. Okay. I actually got a lucky fill right there. Out 72. Okay, not bad. That was actually very volatile. I thought thing was coming down, dude. So we got to dip all the way down here. Yeah. Anyways, we try to dip there 84. Got out for a 10-cent loss. Then we got a dip at basically 660 out 72. Yeah. Sort of made back that loser. 80s was a great dip, but it came coming down 624. 660. Yeah, that's a high fill. Yeah, I'm down almost I'm down 250 on the day. Not very nice. Maybe we can try an attempt here. I might want to hold down, to be honest, now at this point. After all this trading, there might actually be a hold down. But if not, 616 looks decent. 773 is the hold down. $640. Might do an aggressive dip right here. 616. But man, it looks pretty bearish. It is bullish, but this right here looks bearish. I like the volume though. The volume it's on my side. Yes, there's a buyer in the 40s. Let's retest that buyer again. Hmm. I guess it held. I guess you could say it held. I would love to buy it here, but I'm not feeling too strong about these moves like that. I want to get a dip, but it looks like it's working. Can burn in these moves a lot. But the 5 minute looks great. I might give it a try. Yeah, don't want to get caught in this. Such a weird stock. It looks like it's gonna come down, but it doesn't come down. So what are we gonna do? Dang. So looking at that, okay, give me a red candle then. Give me a red candle. You've done it before. Give me a red candle back to 750. You've done it before. Don't break yet. Red candle.
can't see it.
This is a bull flag. No. No. I think I got out too soon. Where was my exit? Dang, the spreads are killing me here. The spreads, 10 cents.
I can see that.
Not a bad setup.
Inside T1. Continue to be.
I can't see that.
Eagle land.
I can see that.
Continue to be.
I see that. I can see that.
Implementing.
I can see that.
50s. $59. I'm gonna get smoked here. Bounce. Jeez, bro, almost got smoked there. Gosh. The 60s was the better dip, and the 30s. Wow. I'm like half a second too late and I get filled 60, 59. My goodness. There it is. 33. I'll take it. 33. Bounce. Please bounce, brother. Nice. $62. 65. I'll take half. Honestly, I might take Partial right there in the 60s. Nice. Nice. Crazy bounce. You saw that? That was a crazy bounce. Okay. Beautiful. Finally, a good trade. I wanted to get this out in the 80s. There it is. I'll take it out 82. Take it out 70s. Okay. Decent trade off a dip. So dips are the way to go. Down 216 on the day. After almost getting smoked right there, this could have gone to like below 6, below 7 rather. I was able to get a good trade in there, double bottom. Okay. So where am I gonna get this next trade? Needs to be a dip. So maybe another dip here in the 28s, 728 or lower. That would be crazy if we go lower. I would do it. Gotta do it. So maybe at 7. I don't think we're gonna hold down yet. Hold down at 617. It wants lower. It definitely wants lower. I guess not. This time it came very slow to 716. It didn't jump. It didn't teleport rather. Because some of these dips teleported. We'll see. ARTV. Could ARTV do it? Could be good. I'll give it a try. 400 shares. Nice and down. Wanted to see it a little lower. Oh. 665. I need something bigger than that. A bigger drop. You've done it before. You've done a big drop. The RTV.
Two.
You didn't trust any of these stocks. Okay, here we go. Maybe one more dip. Half that level there, it's 65. But we may break through it. The red volume is very, very light, very small compared to the green. When it goes green, man, it's crazy. So maybe a little dip here below 60. I will take it. Risking 20 bucks. Knowing this thing, probably risking 30 bucks. Risking 15 cents. So let's get a nice dip here. Might be a bounce here. Yep. Okay, here we go. This is worth the buy off the major lows. I mean, I got to size down, I guess. I feel like they're better.
RADX. RTC held.
Support 506.
RADX.
Could be low 5. I like it.
RTC held.
Nice. 96.
AMCI.
And my retest 96. Nice. 504. 505 exit. Wow. Thank you. Thanks. Nice exit. All right. So we can still make money, guys. We can still make money. Maybe something more than 44.
LAZ line. TV. RADX.
Ah, such a high fill. I already knew immediately. They bounced so quickly. Oh, here we go, under 40 again. Big cent spread. 35. Tricky. Tricky little stock. Quick dip down there, 29. Now 32. In and out. AMCI. Let's see. Might we test here? Might swing around. So I'll try to work myself on a good setup. The RADX looking good.
Let's see what you do. That's Peter.
Good dip 65, I guess. I'm in between two stocks, watching them.
Let's see. Let's see.
We'll see. So it is moving. I want to get a nice trade somewhere in here. I know it's gonna give a dip. They already gave this one here. False, what do you call it? False breakout. You might give another one, which I want to do at the low. That is 725. So if you can give another one, please, that would be amazing. Here we go. Low at 735. Like around 7. Because I know it's going to work. Okay, false breakout right there, 760. Okay, let's turn this candle red. Let's give some more speed here. I want to hold in a dip. 735, 720. So realistically, putting this away, I would take closer to 7, the best, because my stop would be around 7. Or many people's stops would be around 7. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, that was great. That was a good one. That was a good one. Let me try it again. Try bouncing one more time. Be impatient, looking for my entry. Here we go. Oh, 18, but it quickly goes to 30. 18 on the bid, then 30 on the bid. Not too nice. Can I get this lower? Here we go, 25. That low is 705. It's gonna give one more dip. I know it. Looking for that dip right here, this area. And I want to hold with a stop at 7. The closer to 7 as I can, it's the best. Because I have a 20-cent stop with 100 shares. So the closer to 7, the better. Here we go. See, it's been holding. Okay, here we go. 13. Dang it, bro. Jeez, you see? What'd I tell you? Ah, I didn't take it. 13. That's a shame. This may continue here. Yeah, there you go. Dang it, bro. I'm like missing it, huh? Now we got some scalps here. Some scalp trades and some dips. There's a chance that the next candle is just gonna come straight down. And I'll take a dip. So we're looking at 750, 760s.
Let's see. Let's see now. Let's see. Let's see now.
78. No, that was 78.
Let's see. Let's see now.
Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Good dip. That's what I'm talking about.
Let's see now.
In and out. We're getting back. We're getting some of this red day back. All right, let's see. 72. 50, man. 50 would be a wonderful dip here if we're going to continue higher. '70s again, double bottom, 72. Yeah, double bottom, 72, right? Not bad, not bad.
Let's see.
Okay, here we go. This might be my setup here. I'll try to get on it. I'll try to get in here. Let's wait for a little micro. We'll keep it tight. Micro.
Let's see.
Is it good enough micro? Interesting sell right there, 40. Good, good. Okay. Back to flat, nice.
Let's see.
Down only 80 bucks on the day. Much better than being down 260. Okay, well, and I did have a trade right here that I didn't take. No, was it here? No, here. Yeah, I was looking for that dip at closer to 7. Then that double bottom right there. I was waiting for something in the 60s, but that double bottom at 70s was beautiful. Here too, I started watching it here. Yeah, here too. So my intuition on the stock is really good, just my execution. A lot to be desired. We'll see. So we got a red candle on the 1 minute. The 5 minute looks okay. We'll wait and see. I think we are going to see 9. But I want to be careful because we already attempted here and it didn't work. If this 5 minute closes above 838, it's very bullish. Very, very bullish. This candle, this 5 minute candle open at 8. We may get a dip under 8 here. Interesting, interesting. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Wow. Wow. Okay. I'll take it in the 40s, 40s. Take it under 50s, 40s. Yeah. It likes to dip. I know that for sure. It likes to dip. So we reached that level 94. We might break through it. So like, yep, that candle, a 5 minute candle ended up closing at 882. What's the deal with this? We may reject. We may reject pretty harsh here on this new 5 minute. I want to take a dip down. Hmm. Okay. This could be a massive breakout coming up. No. Yet. Dip below 50. Psychological level of 50. Give me that dip. More extended dip under 50. Yeah, like that pause, maybe. That's like your trigger. That's the trigger spot. But that pause is like deadly. It's coming. It's coming. This break of 9 is coming. It's a matter of timing that. There it is. 20s. Please give me 39. Dang it, bro. You did not give me 39. 8. 8 is a good spot. 8. Try to 8 again. What was the low? 804. I missed it. I was looking at my fill off the previous trade, but here we go. It's not over yet. 8 was such a better spot. Big seller. We made push through 8. Seller's getting bought up. Yep, seller got bought. Oh, it's still there. It's walking it down. Seller's walking it down. Dang. Okay, now I don't really have a good spot here, but it could still reclaim the entire move down. Well, let's see. 70s. 72 was previous support. Yeah, 72. 72, not bad. Previous support 72. Next candle. Might give another attempt at 72. It might do a double bottom. Otherwise, we got room. Oh, coming down lower. Dang. Oh, wow. The volatility is insane, bro. Like you think it's coming down further, and now it's back at 8. Jeez, bro. I know this thing is gonna reclaim the whole thing. That dip was right there. I'm gonna catch a dip back at 8. I know it's gonna try to fail, and it's gonna try again. Don't do that. Dang it, bro. Dang it. We're taking this dip. Hard to trust it at 50. Under 50. There's a seller. 40. There's a seller. There's a seller. 30. There's a seller. 20. I'll do 20. Okay, not bad. 10 cents. 8, 7. Okay, here we go. Look. This may reclaim, so it might give a dip down a little more. Ready for the reclaim. I've seen this so many times. Oh, their seller's still there. Okay. 27. That seller, bro. Get out of the freaking way, man. 8. Fine, 8. I was a tad late on that, so I got out. But that dip, that could have been a good dip actually. If I was in at 13, 14. Dang, volatility is insane. Okay, well, back to flat, small winner. So here we go. Might have a good dip here. It's very slow, very, very slow. Light volume area. But we could see a good move. Um, let's see. So 520, it's a good spot. But if we can get under 520, big red candle there. Red candle volume. Under 520, I would take a dip. Oh, here we go. 16, a little lower. 16 by 21, not a great spread. There you go, 14 by 16. In at 15. Seller at 25, so sold 25. Immediate seller popped up right there at 25. But the setup looked good. Maybe I could hold that. Great fill though, 15. Basically almost 16. All right, well, making some progress on this. Surprisingly enough, ARTV was the best stock for me today. All right, well, wait, looks like it didn't. Volume is dying out. All right, yeah, red day. Yet again, we're back with another red day, sadly, down $42. Honestly, what the heck? RADX. I'm thinking I'm buying such a good trade, such a good entry, under 15, and I just get smoked. Smoked. It was immediate drop. Only 100 shares. One trade on this right yet. Unbelievable how terrible this stock was. Wow. I'm thinking it's good. It's right at VWAP. We have VWAP right here. We hold it up at VWAP. We didn't trade the open thinking, okay, let me see it play out. Crushed. Anyway, we moved on to the SPY. Well, oh yeah, I just had a test trade here on the SPY. AMCI. So AMCI was a piece of work for me today. So got a nice little winner here. Oh, let me tell you, what is wrong with me, man? I got a good entry here. I'm thinking it's going to be a great trade, anticipating the next. Actually, no. No, this was a dip. This was a dip as it was holding that level. 60s and 50s. But I chickened out and got out quickly on 3 seconds, man. If I would have just held, this thing went all the way up to like $7, man. All right. And I'm thinking, okay, sure. Let's make it work. Next trade. Working on my setups, trying to do trying to apply my setups on this stock. One loser, another loser, another loser, flat, flat, micro pullback. I'm thinking 726 after we went all the way up there to 780. I have a good micro pullback. No, get crushed. Another one. Try to go for a dip now. Crushed again. Go for another dip. Finally got one in 60 out 72. Not bad. And then I figured at some point in the recording you'll see I have been saying I gotta buy dips, and I don't buy these dips, and I finally get one dip and I finally make some money on it. I didn't on this one. Made it happen here. Next trade, I don't buy a dip. I think I buy a breakout. I try to get a breakout here. Nothing. And this is when the frustration sunk in pretty harsh. I was pretty frustrated. Try to buy another dip, did not work. And then I said to myself, I gotta buy a freaking dip, and I gotta do it for real this time. Bought the double bottom, held, good exits, 73.58. Nice. So then we had a good streak of good winners. But another dip right there, 77 out 88, 10 cents. But a nice, okay, so this was a micro pullback, the one micro pullback that actually worked. 8 out 44 out 40, nice. Sorry, 11 out 40. Yes. Micro pullback, I believe, yeah. Micro pullback, yeah. Because the high of this was 72, looking for a pullback, bought it. Nice. Flat, semi-flat. Dip, a little bit. Try to go for a dip again, a little bit, tiny wins. Tiny wins there. Trying to go for a nice dip, for a nice reclaim, but not these didn't actually work too well. This one worked nicer. Yeah, small winners there. Anyway, we go into now ARTV. Wow, I actually had great accuracy on ARTV, and I didn't really trust it because the volume was low, and I don't think it was the one, although it gave some good moves. Let's take a look here. So bought a dip, 71 out 80, very nice. Small size, increased my size to 400 shares. Didn't trade it throughout this area. Got a nice dip here. Under 5, beautiful. Out 505, very quick trade. No, actually I held this. Very nice. Nice. I held that. Awesome. Excellent trade. Then I got a dip here. Why did I get out too quickly? I don't know. Next trade. Got another dip out 32. I got out quickly on that. Then I got out also quickly on this. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just nervous on these dips. So these dips, I'm thinking they're not gonna work. They're gonna flush on me, but this could have gone a little lower. This is maybe a little better. A tad second too late on those dips too, which is what cost me a lot of money. All right, well, we'll take it. 50% accuracy down, down $42. If it wasn't for that massive L at the beginning of the day, going max loss at the beginning of the day, brother, don't do that. Don't do that. I can't do that. I sized down a lot today just to make sure I'm able to climb myself back to a reasonable red day. But the market's changed, man. The market is different. The market is not the same as it was last month or the rest earlier this year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red days versus 4 green days. Let's look at the full calendar. yeah, like I'm struggling. I'm really struggling. Last month around this time, I was like around 1K, you know? I was red on the third week, but man, this month I don't want to be red on the third week. Definitely not. I was red on the last week. Anyway, the theme for today was, let me journal it real quick. I just, patience. 30 minutes of patience. That's what I need. And I will journal that right here. So come over to Mr. Profit. Oh, I don't even, I don't even want to go my full speech about Mr. Profit, but you already know. Actually, let me show you. This is year to date, so look at this year to date. We're looking great. Almost 17K year to date. Let's look at winners versus losers. Actually, no. Let's look at for the month. For this month, yeah, 4 to 7. Trading quite a lot, huh? Okay, not bad. This is good. This is fine. My biggest winners, biggest losers. Um, do I have? This is okay. This is really good. 5 cents to 2 cents. Accuracy. Yeah, I don't like the fact that I'm trading too much on my red days. Too much volume, equal volume. Too many trades. Yeah, not happy about this. You can take a look at my stats here. Average daily P&L. At least this is good. It's lower, right? My green days are bigger, so this is good. That's signs of a profitable trader, and I am a profitable trader. I've been trading since 2021 in the simulator, and but simulator trades are not here. But so I had some money trades since 2021. 2022 small size, 2023 small size. We picked it up 2024. But year to date we are green. But this month has a lot. We have to say a lot this month, huh? Our red days are pretty steep here. We almost had a pretty steep red day here. Look, let's take a look. 280, brother. Wow. 280, not great. So congrats, yay me. I cut that down 220, 240. So today could have been a 240 day, you know. But let's be patient. The first 30 minutes for tomorrow, let's not go red. Let's not go red max loss. How about that? Because every day this day has been max loss at the beginning of the day. So let's not do that. Okay, let's not do that. All right. Anyway, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. This has although you see oh, I got logged out. That's weird. Hold up. All right, whatever. I'm coming tomorrow. See you tomorrow, but come over to Mr. Profit and create your account. Give our 7-day free trial a go. Check out our features. It's the best trading analytics platform. Blah, blah, blah. It's the best trading analytics platform for small cap day traders. I promise you, you will enjoy it. It has some great features, the basics, all that you need. If you're a beginner trader, you don't want to spend a lot of money, you want to kind of just test the waters, this is the right platform for you. And also for really advanced traders who just need a calendar, need the basics, this is also really great. We have some big time traders in here who use it, and we're part of we're growing the community. So come over to Mr. Profit, join us, join our Discord, and I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully, a green day. You know, it's been a rough month, but stick with me. Growth is right around the corner. All right, see ya.